Hello, my name is AJ. I am an affiliate marketing expert. Listen, if by now you are still not making money online with your smartphone, then I want you to stop scrolling. Let me show you something that will interest you. This is a brand new seller account I created for my 7 days challenge, and I want to show you how much I've generated so far in the last 7 days. So if I click on this 3 line here, and you can see right here that this is my name here, AJ Fonts. And I want to show you the in and out of this account, no hide and see. So first thing first, let me go to my sales here. And if I scroll down here, you can see on this account, I've generated 36 sales here, and I've made over 117,000 Naira. In Naira alone, I'm not talking about other currencies. And in dollars, I've made $130. And you can see this is 6 figures. 6 figures is anywhere from 100,000 to 999,000, and $130, I think that's roughly 100,000 itself. And this Ghana cedis, this around 60,000. I don't even know how to calculate all this. And if I should add this Naira, dollar, and Ghana cedis, that's giving me roughly 340,000 Naira successfully generated on this account. I just made another sale. Now let me get rid of this. Now if I scroll down here, this is the same product I promise you guys that I'm going to sell on this account, the challenge I told you guys I'm going to do. Now you can see the product, you can see the numbers of sales, the numbers of pages, and the people who bought this course. Now again, I want to refresh. Let me be transparent with you. Let me refresh one more time. And again, let me scroll down. You can see that every single thing remains the same. You can see that every single thing on this account remains the same. That is not even all. I also have other pending transactions that are yet to be paid on this account. So if I click on this 3 line here, this time around, I want to go to wallet and payout, and I want to go to upcoming payout here. And if I should scroll down here, you can see that on this account, I have 2 pending transactions that needs to be paid to my account, and this is around 60,000 Naira. If I should add this to the previous one, that's more than 400,000 Naira I have made on this account in less than 7 days. Now, for those of you who are thinking, are this actually real money? Now, I want to clarify you. I want to prove to you that you can actually make money online with your smartphone despite the economic situation of the country. So I want to click on this 3 line here, and I go to my wallet. Now you can see that the available balance I have on this account is 27,038 Naira. You can see it here. So I want to place a withdrawal right in front of you. So all I have to do is to click on withdraw here. Now you can see my bank account, no hide and see. So this is the available balance here. They are going to take 50 Naira for this transaction here. But before I initiate this transaction, you can see the previous transaction I've done on this account. So if you still don't believe what you are seeing right in front of you, then I think there is something wrong. So I want to go to this. You can see all the pages. Let me go to the 6th page. Now I have been using this account. You can see all the monies. This is 7,000 Naira. This is 10,000 Naira. This is 29,000 Naira. This is 10,000 Naira continuously. Now I want to place a live withdrawal right in front of you. Let me go to the first page so you see. So I want to click on withdraw once more, and please take a note of this amount here. This is 26,988 Naira and 67 kobo, because they are taking 15 Naira for the charges. So I want to click on withdraw right now. Hold on. Now, success, your transfer has been initiated. Now you can see that my available balance is now 0 because I have placed a withdrawal. Now this will just take for, let's say, 2 to 5 minutes, and my money will be available on my bank account ready to spend. So this is how I make money online completely for free, selling let me get rid of this. Now you might be wondering, what business model is this? This is called affiliate marketing. where you sell other people's products and you get paid. Period. That's just it. You find product you want to sell, you sell the product, and you make money. Now the question is, how am I generating massive sales like this in the last 7 days? Just 7 days. Now let me go to this storyline here, and I go to my sales once more. Now you can see that, up here, Kuda has notified me that a transaction has been made to my account. Let me scroll down. Now you can see 26,988 naira and 67 kobo, and this is the transfer here. Flutterwave has just sent you 26,988 naira and 67 kobo, which was the actual amount we withdraw from my seller dashboard. So this money is on my Kuda account and it is ready to spend. So let me show you how I make this money. So the question is, how am I making this money? Now this is my dashboard here. In the last 7 days, I was able to generate 6 figures, 173,000 naira, just in naira alone. If I should add all this up, they are way more than 500,000 naira. So the secret is that I am using an automated sales funnel to sell my product even when I'm sleeping. Now, when I was recording this video, you saw the sales that was coming in. That is because my funnel is active and it is selling my product automatically. So I don't need to do anything. I just find the product I want to sell, then I set up the sales funnel, I go to sleep. Then maybe whenever I like, I just come to my dashboard to see how much I have made. Then I withdraw my money to my bank account. As easy as that. Whether the economy is hard or not, it doesn't apply to you. The internet, there are unlimited money for you to be made. So what I usually do is to go to platforms like StayCourt. This is StayCourt. This is another platform here. This is the marketplace of StayCourt. You can see there are thousands of products available for you to sell. Or you can just come to Seller. Even Seller, there are products here. Get a product, set it up, set your funnel up, go to sleep, and let your funnel do the marketing. And that is what I teach in this course. I teach you how to get products, hot selling products, and I also teach you how to set up your funnel, the right tools you need to set up your funnel successfully and allow this funnel to market your product even when you are sleeping. Listen, you need time to rest. Not every time you'll be doing marketing, not every time you'll be, reaching out to people, begging people to buy your product, trying to market. Sometimes you do lie in order for them to buy your product. But if you really want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to learn how to sell. If you take a look at all these gurus you are seeing on the internet posting their screenshot of your earnings, they are not spamming links on social media. So stop spamming links on social media. If you want to learn how to sell, start using an automated sales funnel to drive massive sales like this even when you are sleeping. This is not even my main account. Of my main account, I've generated way more than 10 million naira. And we just started this month. If I should take this account seriously, in the less than a month, I should be making 1 million naira or more than 1 million naira, depending on how serious I am. So if you really want to learn, want me to teach you how you can successfully set up your sales funnel, generate money, then once you start making money, you come to your wallet here, you just click on withdraw and they send you your earnings just like this, which you can see here. They send you your money straight to your bank account. No hide and see. I successfully withdraw my money right in front of you. So if you want to learn, you want me to mentor you step by step on how you can generate sales like this using just your smartphone. Let me go to my sales again. Using just your smartphone to generate consistent sales like this, click the learn more button below this post to learn how you can use this sales funnel to drive massive traffic automatically. Now you saw all the sales that was coming in. That is because my funnel is active and it is selling my product for me. I don't need to do anything else. All I just need is to come to this account to see how much I have made and withdraw my money to my bank account. As easy as that. You don't need to do anything else. And you can see again, I just made another sale. You can see it here. I just made another sale. That is exactly what I'm trying to explain to you. If you know how to sell, use a good funnel to sell your products. Money will stop being your problem. So if you don't want to struggle, you want to learn how to make money online the right way, there is a link below this video. What you need to do is to click on this little more text here. Once you click on it, it will pull out this section. Now you still need to click this more section here. This will pull out this interface. Now all you have to do is to click on this learn more. There are other links which you can connect with me on social media, but just click on this learn more here. This will take you to the AI marketing sales funnel. This is it. So instead of you struggling, begging people to buy from you, marketing on social media and not getting any result, why not allow the AI marketing sales funnel to sell your product while you sleep? This is the AI marketing blueprint. Instead of you marketing, begging, struggle to generate sales, why not automate your sales faster with the AI marketing funnel? Now, most of you might be thinking, is this an application? Is this an app? No. This is my complete mentorship program where I walk you through step by step on how to start affiliate marketing and make money with it. I teach you the basic fundamental background of affiliate marketing and how you can profit with it. I'm also giving a discount to the new student to get access to this blueprint for 10,000 naira only, instead of paying the 30,000 naira actual price. Now, this is what you'll be getting. These are results from my student. This is someone who made almost 1 million naira with this blueprint without doing any marketing, with organic traffic. You can do organic, you can do paid traffic, but most of the time I do organic traffic. This is another result from my student. This is another result. This is another result. This is another result. Someone who made more than 1 million naira using this automated funnel. Now, this is a disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Now, all these results you are seeing here, those students put in the effort to achieve this result. This doesn't mean that once you set up the funnel overnight, you're going to make money. So if you are lazy, you're not ready to put in the work, don't bother to get this program. It will not work for you. But if you're ready to put in the work, you are determined, you're willing to learn so that you can start making money with affiliate marketing, then this program is for you. Now, this is what you're going to be learning. You'll be getting access to the private community, my multi-millionaire blueprint, the affiliate marketing setup process, done for you AI marketing script, all limited traffic generating secret, my affiliate money hack, one-on-one personal support, graphic designing class, affiliate marketing, and so on. There are a lot of things you'll be learning from this program, and most of it all, this program is also backed with 30 days money back guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose. If at the end of 30 days you implemented this strategy and you did not get any money with it, just DM me, you will get your money back in full. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. And make sure you don't miss this program. So that's all I want to show you in this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the course.